Hey guys, the OrientTravellerZ here. Today we're at the Forest City Golf Hotel, located relatively close to the city of Johor Bahru, Malaysia. As the name suggests, it is a resort catering to golfers, first and foremost. The hotel is highly rated and relatively new. Arriving guests are greeted by an expansive high-ceiling lobby lined with mahogany and decked in marble. The overall design is reminiscent of a ski lodge. Furnishings are modern and tasteful. Today, we'll be checking out their 45 square meter deluxe twin room. Entering the room and immediately to the left is the bathroom, featuring a freestanding bathtub next to a frosted glass wall, offering a good compromise between natural light and privacy. There is a single vanity with an amenity drawer stocked with toiletries. Next is an enclosed shower cubicle, which sadly did not include a rain shower. Moving on, the spacious room features twin beds, but you can also opt for a king bed, which would include a bench sofa at the foot of the bed. The plush bedding was comfortable and there were no complaints in the morning. The room decor is tasteful, modern, and includes Asian-inspired elements. Next to the floor-to-ceiling glass windows is a Chaise lounge, perfect for watching TV or when the weather gets too hot, admiring the outside view from the comfort of your air-conditioned room. When the weather is fine, step out onto your own private balcony, complete with a coffee table and rattan chairs. The area surrounding the hotel is largely undeveloped, hence there are no high-rise buildings for miles. The room includes a ceiling fan for those who truly want to embrace nature. Stepping back into the room, there is a black marble work desk with a desk lamp. Next to the work desk is a 50-inch high-definition LCD TV. While picture quality was good, there was a limited selection of channels to choose from. Below the TV is a marble-topped cabinet that contains a mini fridge, coffee and tea sachets, and an electric kettle. Lastly, there is a floor-to-ceiling wardrobe that includes an ironing board, bathrobes, and a safe. Now let's head out to explore the hotel's facilities. The hotel features a large swimming pool on the ground floor that has a clear view of the surrounding golf course. Speaking of which, take the complimentary buggy out to the driving range or sign up for some time on the greens. Heading back to the hotel, there's a gym next to the pool with a handful of machines. Unfortunately, the air conditioning was not functioning or turned off, so the heat was unbearable. Lastly, the hotel offers a buffet breakfast featuring a selection of Asian and Western items. There is a salad bar, bread and pastries section, an Asian section including dim sum, a Western item section, and an assortment of juices. I hope you have enjoyed this walkthrough of the Forest City Golf Hotel. If you liked our content and would like to see more, please do drop us a like and subscribe to the channel. You can also consider supporting us on Patreon. Links in the description below. It would really help us out. Thanks for watching. Till next time.